Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, October 16th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had a good day today. I mean, at least we managed to close out all of those profitable trades from yesterday and didn't suffer any reverse damages. I was a little bit concerned this morning. The Dow really took off hard right at the beginning, but then it pulled back right away. And I at 35 minutes in, I took a screenshot, and I'm putting that on the website, that we were up, like our open trade equity had gone to like 43,000, something like that. And in the 10 minutes from that time to when we actually got out, that open trade equity dropped almost $9,000. So it was dropping pretty hard here, right near, within the first hour or so. But we did get out, and we closed out over $31,000 today. So that's just fabulous. We didn't give back anything, let's put it that way. And we are still excuse me, still carrying one position from yesterday over the weekend, and I'll show you that in a minute. As far as the Dow goes, I got to tell you folks, this thing's going higher. What I'm seeing here is we have three bull spikes, one here on Thursday, or rather one here on Wednesday, one on Thursday, yesterday, and another today. And this reversal today I think is really significant. It started higher and it tried to reverse and fail here, came down back through this last line of resistance, and then just really stormed through this, closing near its high. And there's just no question in my mind that the Dow is going higher. I'm calling it up for Monday. In fact, it could go up hard on Monday. So I'm pretty optimistic about that. Let me show you, I'll show you three trades here. I can't possibly show you everything good that happened from yesterday that we closed out today, but on yesterday this is at Zaxxas. I absolutely hate the stock. Hate it after that massive sell-off it did a couple 3 weeks ago. But anyway, we bought this in the second half of the day. It moved up very nicely, and then it gapped up this morning, pulled back just a little, and we got out here. But I mean, this is a beautiful exit here. We took $4,000 out of Zaxxas. No complaints there about Zaxxas today. Very good. This was our biggest single trade. Keep in mind that this $31,000 isn't because of any huge single trades we had. We just had a ton of very good trades. But this was actually, I think, the biggest profitable trade we had. This is RXDX, that's Ignita, I believe. And we did take $5,000 closed out in this. We bought this yesterday right after the open, and it just kept going. Our exit wasn't perfect here, but not, and it looks like Ignite is going higher. But anyway, I'll take $5,000 anytime. Good trade there. And finally, I'll show you the one that we're holding. We actually took this, got into this trade yesterday. Out of all those trades we had yesterday, this was the dog. We bought the high tick of the day yesterday, and it sold off. And this was closing almost on its low. Didn't look good at all. I forget exactly what we were. We're down, maybe $1,800 on this thing on the close this morning. It just screamed topside, and because of that, we're still holding it, but we have over $3,000 in. This is CVTI, which is Covenant Transportation Group. If I didn't say that, I'll remind you that is the stock. Anyway, good day, good closeouts for that fabulous day that we had yesterday, and I'm looking forward to next week. I think the overall market's going to move. This is Trader Bob signing off. You guys have a great weekend. I'll see you next Monday.